Okay, we did him already. Next one we're gonna do is this one. I ordered it on Amazon not too long ago. This is old, but it's still Sonic, and y'all know me. Anything that comes with Sonic, does with Sonic or Super Mario, I unbox. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this game. I'm gonna try to take this. But yeah, like I said, I ordered this at Amazon not too long ago. So if my phone is kind of like that, I hope y'all can still see it. I'm trying to do this one-handed too. But yeah, that's it. At the packaging. But yeah, that's the Super Mario. I'm just saying. I'm just kidding. I mean, not Super Mario. My bad. That's the Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games. Yeah, we're gonna try to open it though. This is what it looks like inside. Just the cartridge. And I might play this game right now because I actually have my own physical copy of this game now. I was gonna buy a digital, but I don't know. I prefer the physical copy for it. So we got this now added to my Sonic and Mario collection. We got Sonic Frontiers. Yep, got Sonic Frontiers. I'm gonna go try that game too, but on my OLED. Got Team Sonic Racing. I'm only gonna show the Sonic ones. We got Team Sonic